Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make shorts from YouTube videos. And here's how it is done. Steps 1. Remixing other people's content. Go to your channel and find a video you want to remix. For example, I am browsing the Think Media podcast.
In
Click on the
2018,
video,
a
then
woman was
select the remix
sucked out of a window
You can
on a
use the previous
Southwest
sound or
flight
clip
headed to
specific
Dallas.
photo.
It happened when an engine
Slide
broke
through
in
timeline
the air,
or hover
causing...
over the video until you find the spot you want. After selecting the sound or clip, you get
In
15 seconds to
2018,
record
a
your video,
woman was
use the
sucked
clip,
out of a
or
window
roll.
on a
Read
Southwest
and adjust
flight
your video
headed
as
to...
needed, then hit done. You can also add your own recording.
In
Once you are done,
2018, a
hit next
woman
to
was
post it
sucked
as a
out of a
YouTube
window
short.
on a South...
2. Remixing your own content. Go to your channel, find one of your videos, and click the remix button. Select
Breed.
edit into a shorts to pick a 15-second or 60-second clip from your long video. After picking your moment, you can add captions, adjust settings, and post it directly to the shorts feed. 3. Editing in your editing software. In your editing software, create a new project with multiple video dimensions. If your video is too close up, ensure the camera angle is wide enough for videos. Add music. I recommend Epidemic Sound for copyright-safe music, and captions for better engagement. Export the vertical video, then upload it directly from your computer or phone as a YouTube short. And that's everything you need to know about how to make shorts from YouTube videos. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.